So this is where it is going to be sitting. Needs 2 bolts put in, or 2 screws to hold it down. Good. Now it's got its own light. Let's try the pull and see if it works. Switched off. So look, see, I'll hold it like that. Oh, it's nice and quiet. It's nice and quiet indeed. Let's see if I can just find something to give a bit polish. As you can see, we've had a flood in the garage again. But well, that's okay. Voilà, safer. That's cleaned up all right. So I've got some other stuff in the box. Now I've done a top conker. There are the plates. You've got all your Allen keys. I'm going to have to read up, see what it is, read the instructions. Yeah, pleased with that. So that's the Clark 6-inch bench grinder with a lamp, as you can see. I'm going to leave it there for today, and I hope you enjoyed that. So before I go, just to remind you, if you don't mind, if you're not already, subscribe, click the little bell for notifications. I do have an Amazon wish list. You can always have a look at. And I'd like to catch up with you on my next one. Hello YouTuber friends, I just want to show you the unboxing of my Clark bench grinder. So, see you in a minute. Hello YouTuber friends. Whilst unboxing the Clark's grinder didn't happen. Phone stopped recording for some reason. So if I just do an explanation is why. And it's because I forgot to press record. So to give us a chance to do a little call out, mail call for another YouTuber, and I'll do that now. Okay, so the mail call today was from a small engine repairers across the big pond, and that is, as you can see, my backdrop. Do you know, small engine repairs. Dave, thank you very much. Much appreciated. And if nobody is subscribed to him, pop over, introduce yourselves, click the subscribe, and click his little bell so you get all of his notifications of his videos coming up. Once again, thanks very much, Dave, and we'll continue on with the rest of the video. So the YouTubers, I do hope you sort of enjoyed that, what I caught of it. I do apologise about the camera setting. We got some of it anyway. But why I've come on the end here, I just want to say to you all is just want to wish you all Happy New Year when it does come. And I hope 2022 will be a good one for you all. And I hope to see all you putting your videos out, and we may even get new subscribers and make some more friends. By the way, I'm up to 112 now subscribers, so as I say, I do have a Amazon wish list, and also I do have a subscribe button, and please remember to click the little button, the bell, so you get all my videos when I do them. But much appreciated for being watching us over this last year, and for all your lovely comments. But we'll see you in 2022.